sunset hasn't ended. This warm summer evening, it came to a stop at the edge of the earth. Tonight I won't notice, so don't even try. And there is every cherry screaming, no need to cry. Your fate has can end. I've had enough of pretend crush. Up with your lies, your innocent illusion tense, illusion thin. Your fairy tales, eyes, your blick writing of love, style of love. That's higher, and you can believe. I will no longer look into your windows. Live however you want. Let the careless pink evening look into your windows, watching your steps. Live however you want, as you want. Let the careless pink evening look into your windows. Need these troubles anymore. The local boys from your porch will no longer laugh at times they. There's no need to hang around with you all night. Speak stunts. It's much better to just get back, move along, 'cause you're on skin. And the pink nights and the summer evening, and the take sunset and set. I completely agree with me. You should know that it's much better to just get. Will I come close to you? Forget it. Let the careless pink evening what's a unit. Look into your windows, mud might be fun up nook, but watching your steps, and you can't believe me. Not for anything in the world. Up with all your mockery. Let it trust you. Wait, let the careless pink evening all let's see, yes. But I have a need. But I did see, yes. Don't leave these troubles, let me out. These troubles and it's out in my heart. Let it look hushers. Yes, they trouble temper to me. I'm thinking on my midnight. Babe, take my night. And you can just steps in on your own.